So this is the sectional door in the open position, and this is the lintel here. And a lot of these lintels in modern houses do not have a box, so they're open. So you can see that the lintel is hollow, and there is no way to attach the carrier as we would with the normal boxed lintel. Attach the carrier like this, pre-drilling it.
Change over to the new system, and we apply the SYG liquid nails instant holes to the inside of the carrier, or alternatively directly to the lintel, and then attach the carrier facing in the way as indicated on the video to the lintel, and that will then give us that seal.
Screws.